Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video, another next level video message. And if you hear some noise in the background, my family's a little rowdy right now, and so the noise may be coming through the door, but I wanted to get this out. You know, one of the things that we talk about a lot, we write about a lot, is this thing about change, okay, and the importance of change. I realized years ago that if I did not change my life, that I would not fare well in life. Okay, and so I heard. Matter of fact, I heard an audio tape from a company called Success Motivation. This was years ago. Okay, it was. I think it was the Success Motivation Institute, and man, they share some things in there that really got me thinking about personal growth and development, so on and so forth. Okay, but you know, and so it was from that point that I realized the power of personal growth and development, the power of being able to change one's life, and to know that it is absolutely real. It can happen for you. Okay, it can happen for me, because I believe that as a person, I want to continue to grow. I want to continue to develop. I want to continue to learn, and all of that. Okay, as you can see, I get excited. This is something that really excites me. Okay, somebody said that great things never came from comfort zones. Man, think about that for a moment. Great things. See, if you stay in your comfort zone, you can't achieve the things in life that you really want to achieve. Okay, and so we've got to either learn to expand our comfort zones, or we've got to break out of our comfort zones. Either one. Okay, either way, that's what it's important for us to do. I've got a thought I want to share with you, and I read this and I said, man, I just want to share this thought. So I want to do that right now. Okay, here we go. And I just love this. Okay, I love this because for me it has real deep meaning. And then I've got some other things I want to share with you of where the next level team is going. Man, we've got a great business opportunity if you want to make some money, if you want to grow personally and financially. Then we've got some things that definitely we want to share with you. So stay tuned. But look at this: life begins now. Okay, wow, the power of now, the power of realizing where you are. And if you're not satisfied with where you are, you can begin to make changes right now. All right. Life begins now, not tomorrow or the next day or the next. It means you can have a new beginning whenever you want. Wow. Think about that. The power to change, the power to choose, it's in you. Okay, it's in me. And I do these videos today because I want to continue to grow as an individual. I have a lot to share because I've been through a lot, I've learned a lot, and I'm learning a lot. And so I just want to share some thoughts with people. One of my mentors, the late great Jim Rohn, says that life does not get better by chance. Life gets better by change. Now, stay tuned because I got something really neat to share with you. Okay, now, boy, this is what I've been waiting to do. I've been involved in network marketing. I've been involved in online marketing, affiliate marketing, et cetera, et cetera. And I really was looking for the right opportunity in 2018 because I want to help people to create wealth from home. I want to help people to make money, people with a desire to change their lives. I want to be able to help them. I've learned a lot over the years, and I've learned how to be a good sponsor to people and set up things that can help people to become successful. Okay, so we're introducing the Next Level team. You might already heard about what we're doing. If not, hey, you're hearing about it today. But we're introducing the hottest wellness trend, okay, and the next billion-dollar industry, plus our high demand quality digital products business with prospecting and a lead generation system. Folks, if you ever wanted to do well, to make money, to change your life, to create wealth, to grow personally, then I want to encourage you to find out what the Next Level team is doing, what we're all about. We've also partnered with a sister team, okay, and with both of our teams working aggressively in our wellness business. Guess what? You're gonna have everything you need for success. All right, and so I'm gonna leave a link, and plus also let me back up, and also our powerful, high demand quality digital products business. It is a business in a box. It is a micro franchise opportunity. Both of these opportunities can help you create wealth from home. Okay, so it's your time. Okay, it's your time to create the life you've always wanted to live. And I know something, that change may not always be easy. Okay, but in a lot of cases, it is necessary. And we want to help people to move their lives from where they are. If you're not satisfied with where you are, we want to help you move your life from where you are to where you want to be in life. Grab the link, access the information, get started with us today. Man, all I can tell you is this. This is something that you ought to see. Whether you do anything or not, you at least ought to see it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. My wife is calling. I'm getting out of here. You be blessed today. Bye-bye.